Hey gems, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and be sure to hit that subscribe and bell notification button so that you are notified every single time that I post. In today's video, I'm going to be making a nude lip gloss without using liquid lip color. I'm using these two colors from the micas that I'll be listing down in the description box. It is in the colors Bear and in the color Coffee. I did get this request from Princess Annie, and thank you so much for requesting this video. I hope it helps you and other watchers to my channel. So yes, I am attempting to make a nude lip gloss. Micas are shimmering color pigments, so they do have like this shimmer effect, but I do know that there are micas that don't consist of any shimmers. I would try to find some for you guys, but I think one company is called Matte Micas that will have one without shimmering, but these are from Amazon and I will link them down below. So yeah, I did use coffee first, and that is what I'm mixing up here. And honestly, as I edit this video, I think TKB Trading will be the best place to get the brown, and brown oxide may work better. The walnut brown and the natural clay cocoa brown will probably be better if you want to use a non-liquid. The liquid I used in that video, I will link it down below or in the video somewhere. I actually got that from TKB Trading. So yeah, I'm just adding more Vertigel because I didn't like the consistency, so that's what I'm doing here. And honestly, if you want this color to be pigmented, I suggest using the Bare pigment only, because that one is actually darker, and that one I ended up having to add that one into this batch to make it more brown and more pigment and to be able to show up a little better. And if you continue to watch the video, you will see how coffee looks by itself on my lips as well as on my arms. So if you guys want to use just coffee alone to get this color, or to mix coffee and Bare together to get the actual color that I'll get at the end of the video, then you can do that as well. These are just some little tips that can probably help you guys. But as you can see, the micas, they do have that shimmer color. Also, to make the micas more pigmented, you want to just add it to the batch instead of adding it to your oils and then pouring it in, because usually what that does when you add the oils to the oil, it makes it a lighter color. I will also link a video down below using that method of how I make the glosses more see-through, more transparent. I will link those down below, but I like that method better when I'm doing glosses that have a lot of chunky glitter. But when you use a lot of oil when using micas, you want to make sure that you are super blending it, like blending it really well, because it will separate doing this method here. So that's why you guys see me mixing it like so many times and scraping the sides and stuff, because me making gloss for so long, I kind of know what works and what doesn't work when making lip gloss. And this is the swatch on my arm of how coffee looks when I got the consistency and everything that I wanted. And this is how it looks on my lip. You guys see that it's really sheer, but you can see a little tint of brown, which I was telling her that it may be a little tinted, but you can always add more mica to make it more darker. But you guys see how much I added and it still came out sheer, so you just have to play with it. But I'm adding the Bare pigment into the batch right now, and that what gave me the because the color and the consistency I really wanted. Like you guys see, it took out some of that bronziness out of it and made it more of a brown. And the coffee pigment, it has more of a red undertone, and this one, the Bare pigment, it has more of a brown undertone, like a true brown undertone. So yeah, you guys, so If I'm not making any sense or anything, if you guys need further help, just let me know down in the comments and I'll gladly help you guys. And if you guys want me to test out any colors, because I'll be leaving the actual micas that I got on Amazon. So if you guys want me to test it before buying it yourself, then I could do that for you guys as well. Just let me know down in the comments what colors you guys want me to try, because in the mica pack that I got, it came with 50 different micas. So I have a whole bunch of micas and I have a whole bunch of Versagel. So yeah, I'll do that for you guys. And usually if I don't like a gloss that I make on my channel or something, or I don't like the consistency, I sell them for really cheap, or I do a giveaway. And you guys, I will be doing a giveaway of a gloss bundle of the glosses that I made on my channel. So make sure you guys subscribe so you guys can know when I'll be doing that giveaway. So you guys can try some of my glosses if you don't want to purchase them. So yeah. Another thing I want to mention is that these catheter syringes that I have that I'm showing here, you guys, these are not the ones that I've been using since I've been making gloss. And you guys will see when I fill the tubes up that I was really struggling. I don't know what it is with the syringes, but they are really hard to push out the gloss. And I even cut my pipette really big so that I could distribute the gloss better. And you guys, I struggled so bad, even more so than what I normally do when I'm filling these tubes for you guys. But yeah, I just wanted to mention that as well, just in case you do purchase them, with the link down below. But it was a struggle, and I like the ones that I used to use better, and I'll also link those down below. But these ones came with a whole bunch for the price, so that's why I got them. So I'm just going to use them up. Something else I forgot to mention is that when you're mixing your oil and your mica together, you want to make sure you are mixing it really well, because the shimmer, it could look like oil, if I'm making any sense. Like, you guys could see how it has that really moisturizing look to it. You want to make sure that you're blending it really well, because you can get confused between what's oil and what's the mica. Leave me down a brown heart emoji in the comments if you made it this far in the video. This is how the final result came out, and I love this look better. You can still see a lot of the shimmer, but that's fine. But it's more so brown, which was what we were trying to get anyway. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave me down any more video suggestions. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.